Hello, good morning. Welcome to our economics class. This is the subject Karnataka economy, and we already completed the first chapter. And in the first chapter, we completed the topics which related to Karnataka economic development and some basic factors which influence economic development. And that was the introduction chapter. In the next topic, and today's topic is agricultural development in Karnataka. Agricultural development in Karnataka. First of all, agricultural development or agriculture is one of the important sector in our economy. See, agricultural activity it is the largest source of employment, and initially the starting period agricultural sector which produces larger source of income, and also that was the larger source of employment. But at present time it produces minimum in our state income as well as our national income, and at present it is the largest source of employment. And agriculture and allied activities that will be considered as primary sector in our economy, where the state government has the vision to enhance productivity and production of agricultural commodities to ensure food security and also make agriculture a sustainable and viable industry with emphasis on small farmers. And this turn leads to increase in production and income and employment in the economic status of the farming community. Though the contribution of agricultural sector in the gross state domestic product is declining, agriculture continues to be the largest employment generating activity. It is the largest source of employment in our economy. And some other agricultural scenario, our state Karnataka agricultural scenario, the agriculture sector remains the largest sector providing means of livelihood, and its contribution to state GDP is 14.7% in 2014 and 15. In the year 2014 and 15, it produces 14.7% to share in our state income. The average land holding size in the state is 1.55 hectares. 1.5 hectares. It is the average land holding. The average food grain production in the state is around 125 lakh tons. The average food grain production in the state, here the average is for a year. 1 year food grain production, average food grain production is 125 lakh tons. The highest food grain production was 138 lakh tons. It was during 2010 and 11. And the state accounts for about 6% of the total area and 5% in the production of food grains in the country. So, in India, our state accounts 6% of total land area and 5% of total food grain production. The average yield of food grains during 2013 and 14 was average yield, it's a productivity 1857 kilograms per hectares. 1857 kg per hectares land area. It was the productivity of food grains in Karnataka. and food grains are under irrigation is 28%. The total food grain cultivation, 28% was under irrigated areas. The next one topic is the land utilization in 2015 and 16. Land utilization, different types of use of land in different types. The total geographical area of the state was, it is 190.50 lakh hectares, and the net cropped area was 100 lakh hectares. 100 lakh hectares, it was more than 50%, 50% of total land area. The net cropped area 100 lakh hectares. Then gross cropped area was 120 lakh hectares, 120.09, 120 lakh hectares, which includes 20.02 lakh hectares area sown more than once in a year. Say those 20 lakh hectares land area sown more than once in a year, and therefore the gross cropped area that accounts 120% of cropping intensity. It makes higher cropping intensity. Around 16% of the area was covered under forest. Here the forest area accounts 16% of total land utilization, and non-agricultural uses accounts 7.75% of total land area. Then barren and uncultivable land, it accounts 4.16% of the land area, and cultivable waste land was 12.15% of total land area, and permanent pastures and grazing land 6.20%, and fallow land 11% of total land area. This is the brief explanation about land utilization in Karnataka. And the next one topic is the cropping pattern in Karnataka agriculture. Cropping pattern in Karnataka agriculture. In agricultural activity, we classify the seasons in three types, three categories of agricultural seasons, agricultural cropping patterns. They are Kharif season and Rabi season. These two are the major seasons, and we introduce another one is summer season. Kharif season, we make agricultural activity, that means cultivation, around 67.19 lakh hectares. The Kharif season is the major agricultural season, and the next one, Rabi season, it accounts 31.08 lakh hectares land area cultivation, and the summer season, it accounts 5.15 lakh hectares. Here the 103.42 lakh hectares is the total area. Kharif season, Rabi season and summer season. These three seasons include total agricultural activities, agricultural cultivation activities. Here Kharif season accounts highest number of land area cultivation with 67.19 lakh hectares, and minimum in summer season. And in case of different crop production, cereals, pulses, which accounts total agricultural, total food grain production, cereals and pulses. And another one, oil seeds, cotton, sugarcane and tobacco. These are the major crops produced in Karnataka. And cereals accounts 48%, pulses account 25%, oil seeds account 14%, sugarcane accounts 6%, and tobacco accounts 1%. And this is the agricultural cropping area. Cereals accounts largest cropping area. It had larger area, and in case of area and production, the area and production of major crops in Karnataka state in during 2017 and 18. Here area measured in lakh hectares and production measured in lakh tons. Yeah, the first one is cereals. The area is 45.2 lakh hectares land area, and their respective production 87.37 lakh tons. And pulses 31 lakh hectares land area, production 20 lakh tons. Here cereals are the larger proportion of production and their respective areas. Total food grain production and their area: food grain area 76 lakh hectares, around 77 lakh hectares, and their production 107 lakh tons. And the another major crop, oil seeds. Some other crops are cotton, sugarcane, and tobacco. Oil seeds accounts 12 lakh hectares land area and 9.7 lakh tons production. And the cotton, it accounts 5.31 lakh hectares land area and their production 12.24 lakh bales. The cotton measured in lakh bales, each bales which accounts 170 kilograms unit. And the next one, sugarcane, 4.4 lakh hectares land area and the production is 315 lakh tons production. And finally last one, tobacco, around 1 lakh hectares land area and nearest to 1 lakh tons production, 0.89 lakh tons production. So these are the brief introduction and explanation about our state agricultural activity, their land utilization, different cropping patterns, and some major crops production and their respective land areas. Okay, in our next class we discuss about some other topics related with our agricultural activity. Okay, thank you.